Hello student, welcome back to Sharma sir classes. Before discuss about what is a matrix and some examples and order of matrix. Today discuss about this type of matrix. So let start it. Firstly, in this section we shall discuss different type of matrix. Okay, so first type of matrix is a column matrix. Okay, it is self-defined. Self-defined, what do you the meaning? Okay, a matrix is said to be column matrix if it has only one column. Only this column represent the element. Okay, this is called column matrix. Only represent to the column in elements, so it is called column matrix. Okay, this is a four into one, that means 4 rows. Okay, 4 rows and 1 columns, only 1 columns, it is called column matrix. This is the order of 4 into 1 equal to 4, that means this matrix order is a 4. Okay, it is a column matrix of order 4 into 1. In general form, A equal to Aij m into 1. Okay, that means rows is represent so many elements, but columns in a one elements, these types. Okay, so m into 1 is a column matrix of order is a m into 1 equal to m. Okay, that means m. So this matrix order is a m. And second, row matrix, it is also self defined. Okay, a matrix is said to be a row matrix if it has only one rows, it is called row matrix. That means this is represent only rows elements. Okay, this array, this rectangular array is represent to the only one rows element. This is called row matrix. This is order is 1 into 4, that means this is a columns is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and this row is a 1, only 1 rows. Okay, this is called row matrix. This order is a 4, this matrix order is a 4. Okay, in general form, V equal to Vij 1 into n, that means this represent to the element is row is a 1, but column is a so many elements, this is n, denoted to n, is row matrix of order equal to 1 into n equal to n. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 dash 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 n, and this is a rectangular array. Okay, this is 1 into n matrix. And now square matrix. Okay, a matrix is which the numbers of row equal to the numbers of column. Okay, equal to the rows and equal to the columns. Okay, that means n into m. Okay, that means m into n, this meaning is a m equal to and n equal to. Okay, m into n, this is the condition of m equal to n. This is a always called square matrix. Okay, because m equal to n. This is the reason of the square matrix. So, thus an m into n matrix is said to be a square matrix if m equal to n and is known as a square matrix of order n. Okay. So, for example, 3 minus 1 0 3 by 2 3 under root 2 1 4 3 minus 1. This is a rectangular area, but this is a 3 into 3 matrix. Okay. This is a rectangular array. This is represent to the 3 rows and 3 columns. This order is a 9. Okay. This is a matrix of order. In general, A equal to Aij m into m is a square matrix of order m. Okay. And second example is Aj Aij n into n. This is also called square matrix. Okay. And fourth matrix is a diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix is also self-defined, a square matrix. Okay. This is form of square matrix. Okay. A square matrix V equal to Vij m into m is said to be a diagonal matrix if all its non-diagonal elements are 0. Non-diagonal elements. Okay. That is a matrix V equal to Vij m into m is said to be a diagonal matrix if Vij equal to 0 when I not equal to j. This is an example of the diagonal matrix. That means, focus in this line. A square matrix Vij m into m is said to be a diagonal matrix if all non-diagonal element, this is a non-diagonal element. Okay. This is a non-diagonal element. Okay. So, this is a non-diagonal element is R0. That is the matrix Vij m into m is said to be a diagonal matrix Vij equal to 0, but when I not equal to j, this is a diagonal matrix. Okay. His diagonal represent to the other element, but not equal to zeros. Is called diagonal matrix. This is called diagonal matrix. This is also called diagonal matrix. That means unit vector is always a diagonal matrix. Okay. Now, scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. Okay. So, a diagonal matrix is said to be scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix is called scalar matrix if diagonal elements are equal. That is a square matrix B equal to Vij n into n is said to be scalar matrix if Bij equal to 0. When I not equal to j, Bij equal to k, but diagonal matrix is Bij equal to 0, but scalar matrix is not equal to. Okay, that means k, Bij equal to k. Okay. So many example. This is a okay, but scalar matrix is a same element is represent to the diagonal. That means equal element. This is shown in a screen. -1, under root 3, under root 3, under root 3. But square matrix, this is not satisfy this condition. This is so many elements is represent. -1.1, 2, 3, -1, 2. Okay. This is a difference between scalar matrix and square matrix. Sixth matrix is the identity matrix. Identity matrix is a very important matrix in this matrix topic. Okay. So let's discuss about this. A square matrix in which element in the diagonal are all 1 and rest are all zeros is called an identity matrix. In other words, the square matrix A equal to Aij n into n is an identity matrix. Okay, this is a condition. Aij equal to 1 if I equal to j and 0 if I not equal to j. We denoted the identity matrix of order n by in when order is clear from the context, we simply write it as I. Okay, its denoted symbol is a I, whose identity matrix. Okay, for example, this is identity matrix. Okay, this diagonal is only one represent to. Okay, so this is question, my question. What would be difference between identity matrix, square matrix and scalar matrix? So see this area. This area is a rectangular array is represent to the diagonal only one. Okay, this is called identity matrix. Identity, that means unit matrix. So this is represent diagonal is 1. So it is called always scalar matrix, but scalar matrix is not called is a identity matrix because it is a diagonal is a same elements. Okay, and diagonal matrix is represent the not same elements. Okay, this is difference element. It is also called diagonal matrix, and scalar matrix also called diagonal matrix, and identity matrix is also called diagonal matrix because its diagonal is a 1 1 1, its diagonal is a under root 3 3 3. So 2's matrix is a called always diagonal matrix, and it is always called square matrix. Okay, this is a part of the square matrix whose firstly diagonal matrix, and diagonal matrix part is a scalar matrix and identity matrix. Okay, but who is the most important in the matrix? Identity matrix. It is most important in this matrix chapter. Okay. And 7 type of matrix. Zeros matrix. Zeros matrix, a matrix is said to be zeros matrix or null matrix if all its elements are zeros. Okay, this is all elements are zeros. It is always self defined. Zero matrix does mean represent to the element is 0. And equality of matrix. Two matrix A equal to Aij and B equal to Bij are said to be equal if this is first condition, they are of the same order. Okay, and second condition is each element of A is equal to the corresponding element of B, that is Aij equal to Bij for all I and j. For example, this is example of the equal matrix. Okay, equal matrix, that means this is a rectangular array, this is the second rectangular array, this is represent to the same element, this column, that means one column, and this is second matrix column is always equal, and second columns and second matrix column is always 1, then this is equal matrix. Otherwise this is not equal to equal matrix. This is a not equal matrix, which because 3 and 0, this is one column, but second matrix column is 2 zeros. Okay, so this is first element is a 3 and second matrix is a 2, first element is a 2. This is not equal, this is not equal to not equal matrix, and this is equal matrix. Okay, and my next video discuss about this topic, operation of matrix. Okay, so thank you guys, and please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.